Hey guys, welcome to this shorter video, unexpected video, but I wanted to show you what I chose as my daily car for next few days, because my main daily car, my Ford, which I'm using in winter and in times like this, broke down. So my transmission broke, and I had to call a tow truck and assistant service, and yeah, a little bit complicated yesterday, but took a little while, a few hours, delayed, had to cancel a few meetings with clients, but yeah, here we are in Audi, an Audi RS3, which is competitor to my M2, and I must say it's not that exciting as my BMW, but still it's something different. It has five-cylinder engine, so it has distinct sound, which maybe you can hear, and I recorded some cold start. Sounds, and yeah, it is something different in comparison to my M2, and yeah, I will explain to you maybe difference between the two of those cars and what I like more about this in comparison to BMW M2, if you are deciding whether you should go with BMW M2 or this RS3, because they are in similar price range in terms of money. So yeah, as I'm driving through these beautiful streets of Prague, I would like to share with you some thoughts of this car, of this Audi RS3 with you, and yeah, what really stood out to me with the RS3 is how easy it feels in normal driving. The Quattro all-wheel drive gives you this constant sense of grip. Even when the road is not perfect, you just feel planted. You don't really think about it, it just works in the background. Compared to a rear-wheel drive car, especially in the bad weather, it feels more relaxed, more predictable. You can drive it without always being on edge. Wet roads, longer trips, or city driving, it feels very stable and confident. It is not trying to scare you or challenge you all the time. It just gives you a lot of trust as a driver. And I get why people like that. It makes everyday driving easier and less stressful. It is a different kind of driving experience, more about balance and control than excitement. And honestly, it gave me a different perspective on what people look for in a car. So yeah. So yeah guys, final conclusion and sum up the experience with an Audi RS3. Overall, I think in terms of sportiness, sporty look, and pure drivability and driver experience, I would say that my BMW is better, and this is not because I own one, but it is my honest opinion on the cars, and it's again my subjective opinion on all of that. I'm not a racing driver, I'm not racing cars, it's just my pure emotion from sound, from car handling, from, I don't know, the pure looks and design of the car. I think RS3 is perfect for certain type of customers. Let's say if you have family and you want some sporty car with with budget around, I don't know, 60, 70, 75,000 euros or 80,000 euros, depends if you are buying car new or used. But if you have family and you have this amount of money, this is the perfect car. Well, then I haven't tried direct competitor, which is car from Mercedes, which is CLA 45 AMG. And yeah, when I was renting this, I thought about renting the CLA as well, but yeah, I went for this. And yeah, it's good looking car. It's sedan, so you have 5 doors, back doors, and you can basically store more things and everything. So in that case, this car compared to my BMW is more usable for daily driving. But for what I wanted, which I don't have family, and yeah, I wanted something more sporty, coupe, and yeah, a little bit more power, a little bit more potential for tuning and for increasing the power. So that's why I went for BMW M2. But nevertheless, this is a beautiful car. It has some different features, different technology features, different lights, which I really like, those signals. And yeah, I feel like my BMW is faster in terms of power. I don't know if it's just my personal feeling or what's that, but yeah. Looks wise, I would still go for my BMW because I like and I prefer coupe cars. So yeah, but yeah, so that's my honest review, honest opinion. I've been using this car for 6 days. In terms of consumption, it's around same consumption as my BMW. So you need to have money to use this car daily, because I can imagine if you would go for, I don't know, somewhere 400 600 kilometers, you can easily stop by gas station every 300 kilometers. So yeah, you can imagine the amount of money that you need to have to be able to run this car and to daily drive it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed those outside videos, outside shots. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.